In earlier sessions, we have explained reading the how I'm going to read the logs files from the S3 and I'm going to print it in Lambda. So let us jump into the Handson. So if you see here, I have S3 bucket. So let us go to this S3 bucket and I have logs. I have kept it. Let me refresh it. So it will take some time. If I go here, so what I've done is I kept it in a folder called logs. So if you search for logs, let me show you. So I have come to this S3 bucket, and in this S3 bucket, basically my logs are there in this apps logs. And what I'm this is the logs which is there in the S3 bucket. And let me open this. I'll show you the what is there. So if you open this one, you can see the logs. It was writing in a different thing. So this is the information. The application started. User has logged in, and it has a login warning error, and it's trying to the database connection. It's making it's failed, and user login successfully by user and some disk space error. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to print it out how many information is there, how many errors has happened, what is the criticality. I'm going to print it in through the using my lambda function. That is the thing. Okay. So if you come to my lambda function, so this is my lambda function. So let me show you the code actually. And this code I will put it in my in the resource page. You can take this code and you can try it out, and I will share my GitHub link also. So this is a code which I have written in the Python. So it's taking some time to load the page. If you see this code, basically I'm using AWS SDK. This is a client. So it will invoke the S3 buckets services. And this is actual function start. Here what I'm doing is basically I'm passing in the events what is my bucket name, and after that where is my log is there. Okay, so this is a hard coded. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. If you want to parameterize, you can parameterize using environment variable. But this is just a demo purpose how to use in your S3 bucket. That's the thing. So basically I'm passing the S3 bucket path where this my log file is there. So it is there in app folder. So if you come here, let me go to the back. So you can see this is there in my apps log and log text. So this path I'm passing here. And after that, what I'm doing is, so I'm just downloading in my local. That is a thing. I'm just downloading into my temp.log.txt. And after that, I'm reading the file by using the read operator. And after that, what I'm doing, just doing the loop. Okay. And just finding the how many errors are there, how many inform is there. So in this case, I'm just printing how many errors is there, how many information is there by reading from the S3 bucket. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm reading the file and reading of this log text file, and I am looping the file and try to understand how many errors are there, how many logs are there. Okay, so that is the thing. So what we'll do is we try to run it and we'll see how it shows here. So you can see here the code is triggered, and it will show the output. So it will show you that how many errors is there, how many information is there. So just I have written some information, so you don't need to worry. So just you have to see that I have written some print statement. So here you can see there are five information, three error logs. So come here. So you can see if I search with error, so you can see three errors. And if you put info, you can see five, one out of five. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so in this way, I'm just printing my logs for by using the S3 bucket using a Lambda service. Okay, and let me show the configuration. If you go to configure what events I am passing. You can see it actually. So configure it. So here I'm passing my bucket name and what is the log thing. So okay. So here also you can pass the parameters. So basically events will pass a parameter. Okay. So here I'm passing the bucket name, and if you want to pass the object thing, you can add it here. Okay. So thank you guys. We see you in the next lecture.